Buddy, this is Taylor with Valleyscape. We're out here in Palm Springs today. We're doing something kind of different because our client, our homeowner, they don't like the way their landscape lighting looks. And unfortunately, it's only about a year old. So check this out. They have these are more of like a commercial grade light. So they were just installed by an electrician. But you can see the massive base they're on. That's great. Like, don't get me wrong, this is really, really sturdy. However, you can see the aesthetics are not maybe the best for a backyard, right? And so what we're actually doing is we're taking this large stake off. So you can see how big it is. And we're mounting them with traditional low voltage lighting stakes. So look right there, see how it's a little more flush with the ground. It's just a little cleaner look. And we'll get this all raked out, but it just looks a little better. So if you have these big stakes, that's okay. Sometimes you can get them further in the ground. Maybe that would help. But for a backyard like this, they stand out a little too much and it's a little too commercial grade. So that's kind of something to think about. That's something that we can do. We can transition them over to the lower lights. And also what we're gonna do here is install in-grade lights in the lawn, because this is just going to get torn up by the weed eater and the lawnmowers and everything, and it's going to look pretty bad. So we're going to put them flush with the ground. I'll show you what that looks like once it's done. But yeah, we're just making it look a little cleaner, a little better. So they don't have to replace the actual fixtures, but they're just replacing the stake to it. The fixtures and the wire is still in good shape, so we're able to reuse that and just cut them out and resplice them in with the new product. So anyways, if this is something you ever hate about your yard, it can be switched over as long as the lights aren't super old. So I'll show you the finished product once it's all done. Thanks for watching. Okay, well, we're back. This job is done. We sunk all these lights down. We put heavy duty stakes on them, but we put them in the ground instead of sticking up high. And then we did these in-grade lights here on the palm tree. As you can see, easily mowed over. We did them over along the bushes as well. And just a quick note, so these are pretty good, really sturdy lights. The only one downside to these type of lights is they're getting hit with water all the time, and it is important to keep them a little cleaner because the water deposits will just collect on the surface. So you probably have to clean them every 6 months or so. Just wipe them off with some CLR, seems to be a good option, and that'll keep them going for a long time. And also important, if you ever install these, to put them a little bit at an angle so the water doesn't just sit on the top, if you can at all help that. So typically we tilt them a little bit like that, just so the water sheds off. So this job is done. Thanks for watching.